And a very good morning to you. You're watching the Morning News Hour. I'm Pratibha Chandran. First up, let's take you to Tamil Nadu, where superstar Vijay has made a full-fledged political foray after launching his political party, Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam, in February. The actor has now launched the flag of his political party. Let's go across to my colleagues Varshini and Dharini joining us on the broadcast. Dharini, the official flag of the political party of actor Vijay has been launched. His supporters have also been asked to arrive. Today is a big day for his political career. What's happening there?
Just a few moments back, Vijay unveiled the flag of his political party, Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam. On that side, you can see the flag of Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam flying high. We can see the colors maroon and yellow. The yellow is in between, and we also see two elephants. In between the two elephants is Vagai flower. In Tamil, we call it as Vagai flower, which means the flower means victory. So the flag has maroon and yellow, featuring two elephants and Vagai flower in between. This is the flag of actor Vijay's political party, Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam. And just few moments back, Vijay himself unveiled. He launched the flag of his political party. Almost 250 to 300 functionaries of the party, including district secretaries and functionaries from different wings, such as youth wing, women's wing, students wing, etc. They are part of this event. Common public and fans, they are not allowed inside the event venue. And Vijay's parents, filmmaker S.A. Chandrasekhar and Shobha Chandrasekhar, they're also present in this event. They're sitting inside the venue hall. And Vijay is expected to make a speech, now, in some time from now. Before unveiling the party's flag, Vijay also, along with his party cadre, took an oath. And let me read out the important factors, in this oath. It says that, I will act with faith in the Indian Constitution and sovereignty. I will safeguard the ideas of unity, brotherhood, religious harmony and equality. I will walk through the paths of democracy, secularism and social justice. I will always work for the people. And it also goes on to say, I will set aside differences based on religion, caste, gender and birth location and create awareness among the public about the same. I will fight for equal opportunities and equal rights for all. And finally, there is a mantra which has been noted at the end of the oath. It says, all are born equal. So these are the main pointers from the oath that actor Vijay, along with his party cadre, took a while back from before unveiling the party's flag. So of course, in the oath, we can see some really strong words. He's using words such as sovereignty, brotherhood, religious harmony and equality. And he also says that I will set aside differences based on religion, caste, gender and birth location. And I will fight for equal opportunities and equal rights for all. These are the key words from the oath that was taken by actor Vijay and his party functionaries just a few moments back. And definitely a very big day for actor Vijay and his political party, Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam. Politically talking, the ruling DMK in Tamil Nadu, they say that actor Vijay's political entry will not have any electoral impact on them. They are telling that Vijay may be a superstar, Vijay may have a lot of fandom, but his entry into politics will not have any electoral impact on us, because for the past 3 years we have delivered good governance to the people of Tamil Nadu. We have introduced a lot of welfare schemes, social justice welfare schemes. So we are very confident that Vijay will not eat into our votes, is what the DMK is believing at the moment. On the contrary, the BJP is telling that Vijay will eat into the votes of both Dravidian parties, the DMK and the ADMK. The BJP is strongly believing in this, and they believe that Vijay is going to eat into the votes of the Dravidian parties. He is going to take away a huge chunk of votes from both DMK and ADMK. We have to wait and see how this political career is going to pan out. Vijay's political career is going to pan out. In Tamil Nadu, we have the assembly elections coming in the year 2026, and Vijay's party, Tamizhaga Vetri Kalagam, will be for the first time contesting the assembly election of Tamil Nadu in 2026. We also have local body elections before that, but it is not very sure if they're going to contest the election or not. But definitely, as I told, on one hand, the BJP believes Vijay will take a major chunk from the Dravidian vote share, both DMK and ADMK. But the ruling DMK believes otherwise. Let's wait and see how that pans out. And we also have to remember that Vijay is quitting cinema at the peak peak of his career. Right now, he's considered to be the superstar of Tamil cinema after Rajinikanth. He's considered to be the superstar.
Yes.
He is the most sought after actor in Tamil film industry at the moment. He has done a lot of films. So he is quitting cinema at the peak of his career and he's entering politics. This must have been a very tough decision for him, a very important thought after decision. But he has made this decision. He is right here in the stage unveiling the flag
Right,
of
and
his
we're seeing
political.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free to think big and achieve bigger. Towards a future made perfect and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.